Guys, in my past video I asked if I should try durian. You seem to like the idea, so today I got this fruit here in this box, and now I'm regretted, kind of, cause now I've done nothing to it, but the studio stinks as if someone forgot to take out the trash. Did you know that durian cannot be taken on a plane? You cannot enter with it in some cafes, shops, cinemas. It seems to me that there must be a reason for that. But there is no way back. I promise to make a cocktail and try it. Well, let's start. Yet there is only one good thing about all this. TIMON runs around happily as if he doesn't smell it. I'll cut this durian with this big knife, and just in case I'll use gloves that cannot be cut. Told about it in the old video. Oh, maybe gloves protect my fingers, but not my nose. Have you ever forgotten a banana in a backpack for the weekend? So it smells like that here. I honestly don't understand people who love this fruit. But just look at TIMON. He likes durian. See how he eats it? So, in fact, there's only inside part is needed, not this thorny shell. It looks like it's already spoiled or rotten. TIMON, do you really like it? Oh man, just... no way. Oh, just please don't. Okay, I'll try to. It's good that you watch the video after the editing, believe me. Well, I promised I must do it. I hope the neighbors will not complain about me for the fact that the hall stinks like rubbish. Okay, it's ready, but let TIMON try first. No way, he likes it. Okay, now it's my turn. Oh my god, guys, this was a bad idea. Yes, smells like these sounds. But now I realize why the seller put these fruits in the box with durian too, despite the fact that I did not order them. I will make a cocktail of them too. It can't be worse. Holy, the only smell of durian here in the studio, and I still taste it. Now I'll try to fix it. My cameraman suggested mixing these two cocktails, and you know what? I hate him now. And say hello to this guy, cause you know that I will show in my next videos the most crazy unusual ideas for my next experiments, or just give a shout out. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.
Your place.